Thank you. Yeah. We are welcoming all of you. It's a party show today, and every are there right and set to give you the best of entertainment and every. Jamal.
No, I will speak the Hausa, you translate. It no matter.
Huh?
I will speak the Hausa, you translate. It no matter whether you hear everything I talk or not.
Yes.
But I will start. Jama'a means my people.
Okay.
Jama'a.
My people.
Muna gaishe da ku da sassafen ga.
Will they say welcome to all of you now?
Kun tashi lafiya.
And good morning.
Sannan.
Good morning. Now.
Za mu ci gaba da abin da muka kawo muku yau.
God will punish your enemies.
Ga mu nan da yan.
We go first start with yan.
Sannan ga shi laugh the laugh.
We'll call it laugh the laugh.
Sai mu yi magana da ba wani abu da za mu dan yi magana dai.
Any problem where you get, you just leave out for door, watch party show.
In mun gama da duka wannan.
And everything we got to give you now.
Sai mu gaya muku sai anjima.
And now God will bless you well.
Sannun ku da jin daɗi.
Thank you very much.
Let's go there.
So now welcome to party show. The translator, when they translate anything translatable.
That's another part of our job.
Yes.
We translate.
We just add our job now. We translate.
Even if you speak something now, we translate.
Yes.
You understand? It comes to us. It's natural.
For example,
hello, my loved people. Anything what we do here today, now for the love of the show. So make una just sempe. Enjoy yourself. And watch us. As we carry everything, come meet una.
So you don't hear that.
Simple.
We don't do every.
It comes to us.
Naturally. Translating and transmitting. Not try us, please.
I don't like them. When we don't know our words.
Yes.
Just give us break.
Just break us.
Pack my hair.
Break us before we break hearts. Sorry. Before they come and break our hearts.
Break.
Break us.
I shave.
You shave.
Okay. So I feel this hand.
I feel this hand. Let me say this on your open hand. Now you see Jerry Coyle. Wait.
Shuku.
So before
Give us.
Based on popular demand, let me just play that one again.
That's
Based
not
on popular
Chinese.
demand.
That's stupid Chinese.
That's stupid Chinese because you're stupid.
Because you're stupid. All right, Yan Dia.
Yan Dia.
First of all, I go want make we give 3 gbosa at our law enforcement agency people. Then people where they carry down on NDLEA. Gbosa. Now for inside the Murtala Muhammad International Airport. MM2. These 2 particular ladies, they want to travel. Abdurazak Modina Alake, and Alake is my oriki. My name is Mary Maya Walambe Alake. Alake is my oriki.
So that girl, come and resemble you in a name place.
In a name place. Abdurazak Modina Alake. Not be she then catch jam with Buno Chizoba. 2 of them, they don't hold them now on top drug matter. Ask me, say how it happen. Thank you. 2 of them then catch them. 1 of them contact. So make I read exactly what it is. You know, say me, when I want to do a boy, they like talking from the horse's mouth. According to the turkey. Let me give you the gist.
Maybe they don't say my what talk say.
Yes. I go read this gist as it take be. Papa, I no go waste time. NDLEA Airport Commander Ahmadu Garba. Now in talk say, Buno Chizoba. Say na the second time where then they catch her be this. Because the first catch her for 2013, when she they try export narcotics. 44-year-old Alake, that one at the second one now from Kwara State. Now she talk, say, now in her words, she said, I was married, but I can't separate. Now only me, they take care of myself. My business, they make sense before because I've been they buy clothes from India and Dubai and I they supply for inside Lagos since 2011. But problem can start when doctor tell me say I need to do operation where go cost me $5,000. Now, I don't spend all my money on top medical bills for inside hospital. No be as I travel India last night, I can't see this man for inside India. He say he go pay for all my medical expenses if only I go carry cocaine come to India. And I do am because all this one concern my health. She say, I don't know, say the thing go end like this, so now she follow talk. Now, Chizoba, that one where they don't catch before. From Imo State. She talks, say, then gets case about her for Federal High Court for inside the Koyi for Lagos State. Yes, already. She can't say, she make mistake, say she not check her luggage. She said she accept blame for not checking her bag carefully where person give to her. Because her job, they risky because they assist people for clearing cargo. So she feel bad, say this one they happen when the first one never even end. So possibility they say she no know, say they her bag, and possibility they say she know, say they her bag. Now two sides of a coin. But Auntie Lati and Auntie Modina, she say it's earth reason. Now it make her come and shook her in the badness. But I just want to know, according to me, my own thinking, no beside the judge anybody. You understand? If you do my own thinking, if you do it the first time and they did not catch you, possibility is there that you will do it a second time because they will give you money.
Exactly. Once they have toast you with a money like this, it's easy.
There's something Yoruba used to say. They'll say once they bear, always they bear.
Always they bear.
It means once reach there, always reach there.
Is that the reason why the good person do in best possible? Say you go get good results. Because even if now, that's the one we don't first catch before. Even if she not do them now, because what she don't do before, they're going to say she do them this time. You understand? That's why to get good name, they say better pass riches.
I'm telling you.
You cannot, that good name owner, if he save you just for good name, you understand? But anyway, the two women, shall we continue? You see that grace me abound. Job like say, you decide to say, because I don't see food to chop. Everybody when they thief get into thief now. Yeah. So even the woman we talk say because of her health issues, that can go involved for badness. You are not come and get an excuse.
There are other ways of making
money. Ways there to take
money. Other legal ways of making money.
Anyway.
Moving
on. Now, this one happened for Nairobi. Nairobi. Aye. Oh, ja. And this guy, what he do na bad thing, but I dey feel the pain. They say men no dey feel handle some kind things. Yeah. Some things the way man no dey feel handle. No dey like to share. When they pain man. But now the action thereafter go come determine whether you be person wey fit control yourself or not.
Uncle,
You
I know one thing that man do not really like to share.
Well, like what? We don't like to share. One to me and one to me only. Thank you very much. Samson Malesi, 27 years old guard, security guard. Now this guy be for inside Nairobi there. He just burst in the house one day. Boom! Now he jam his wife. He touched another man. For a house. Oh, ja. The man where he follow the torchlight, that one named now Simon Wafula. So as it's just jammed to Wafula now.
Okay,
your side is a Wafula somebody.
Wafula you there.
Oh, as I talk to you now,
Wafula.
Samson will be the original husband to the woman. Carry knife, bust out. Now he shook Wafula. Chook Wafula. Come carry nail again. Knock Wafula head. Boss. And then Wafula take die. See on top go touch that another person, wife. Now, how Samson Malesi take here? Now neighbors them. Now he just call and say, oh boy, they come house now. Your wife they groove with another person inside bedroom now for your matrimonial house. When he bust, now he can't do all the killing things. And wife now take off.
She take off. He leave children take off.
The guy they can't kill now will be the Wafula. And wife come they talk say, hey, see my husband though. And now here she tell here say the man don't die. Meanwhile, the guy tell her, say, in they go for some kind of waka the night before. So now, almost all night, Wafula day, another man's house. They grooving wife. Now you come and lost your life on top of grooving another man's wife.
Let me be your maga tonight.
Oh, jaga. Yeah? But any which way, the whole story like this, don't be good to, but you see.
Then go charge someone for more than
No, of course not. They don't charge.
Then go arrest and charge.
You say, get man go say, arrest me, I go kill him. Men don't agree to share. You get me? But different angle to the whole thing. Different angle. Because Wafula now, why you self go? We don't say go give respect to the dead though. But why you self go the?
You're not really. You're fooling things.
Go the touch that another person's wife, not be babe.
Another person wife.
Another person
and you get your own wife with
and
5
you get your
children.
own wife with 5 children. The Malaysia himself get to picking with his own wife 4 children. No. See these 2 people.
This thing now government work.
See these 2 people. That means if you put all the children together, 9 children. Malaysia wife, he carry 4. Wafula, we call the torchlight Malaysia wife.
He carry 5.
Una never tell you how to groove.
Malaysia wafu. Come on.
Jaga.
Let's go.
What did they happen? Torchlight now, you have killed yourself. Your wife now don't run. And no fish time again.
And you read judgment. Now what kill you? Esther, God, please.
I got torchlight best way.
Give us break.
It's a bad something. Why?
It's true. You really cannot.
Wow.
Do you see?
I bet pouring for finger. Live story. I bet we are not say this one now. When you pouring for the finger, that one now everlasting handcuff. We died there. Now be that one. Now be we died there. Everlasting handcuff.
You can say rubbish.
Now be the big we put ourselves. I don't say why you don't put ourselves. I handcuff myself to you for life.
Use me as you want.
Exactly. That don't use me according to your will. Now be that one.
Oh Lord God.
Also, when I learn the whole thing, shall they shall talk for that thing just now, and now to teach everybody the reason why they chook for that finger.
All right, moving on. Back to the part 2 of Yan the Yan, and this particular gist when I want to tell you, but you need to laugh in advance. Hey, you got me. I always tell this thing. You don't do that. You don't do. You don't do. Don't do. Sorry.
You don't do. Thank you. No come beat me.
I always tell people this thing, but you know my regular slogan. People know well, though. I always talk this thing. Not to say a lie. Wait, ma, give you this gist. Wait, yeah? Just wait. One woman where they fly from Dubai to New York. Repeat, New York.
New York.
Thank you. She they fly from Dubai, enter inside New York. Now in the male passenger where she sit down close to him, the guy molest him. Ask me how. Now this woman, she get anxiety issues. I will tell you why. 13th-hour Emirates flight from Dubai to New York. Because if they follow straight flights, it's that long. But if they do stopover, and then they stop like that. But 13 hours straight flights with that particular airline when I called. The detailed and the investigator were there for them. The district court for inside Brooklyn. Now they carry this court to go when they land New York. You understand? The person where they in favor of that one, NYPD FBI. Now you can come out, can talk. Say according to the information where the woman give, she said she fell asleep an hour into the flight because she gets this anxiety problem. But she fell asleep with the aid of an anti-anxiety medication. It calms you down, so you feel enter deep sleep where we say, make them they hit come for your head. I know some people, if they sleep normally, if you like, make market they burn.
Yes,
they don't go wake.
No.
This one, these drugs, it go make you fall into deep sleep to relax you. Maybe she sit down there, 145-year-old Nadim Mahmoud Quarashi, 42-year-old Staten Island resident man. After sleeping for hours, now the woman wake. As she wake, now the person will sit down there and say, oh, auntie, did you have a good nap? Not being she won't answer yes. She can't notice, say, wait, oh. She see lotion for all her hand. They don't rub cream for all her hand. Rub her for her chest. Rub her for her upper thigh.
Inside the...
No, be inside as she sit down for the plane, sleep good. So, as she comes make she stand up, go use the restroom for back of plane. Now she notice, say, her vagina area, they saw. The cream reach that side, can't stain her on this. No, immediately now she come back. Ask the guy where she down there and say, oh, God, beg. And she get cream where she put for front of that flight something, that pocket where they for flight, front of flight. Now she put her hands there and say, I beg. She asked the man, say, I beg, where my cream? Now the man give her the cream. Now she call flight crew, say, come, oh, this man has assaulted me. You know what the guy talk? The guy say, well, say in do amo, but say when they do and she not resist. That means say she like him. Person will use anxiety drug. When they confirm say anxiety drugs use, the thing put her in deep sleep.
Maybe the guy no say anxiety drugs. Which kind? Maybe you go say make you just try and look. You're like this. She no do anything. Like this. She no do anything. Now you try again. Now she no do anything. The man say, I did it but she enjoy it. Same question. Maybe as they go on. She they show and sign
because I said, okay, why you do? I said because if you said the woman looks stressed, she need them.
people they where God go punish you.
People know well, no.
Hey, God.
This is not this is a perpendicular or previous other attitude in conjunction to a sleeping female anonymous.
Oh, Jaga. Hashtag Ada. Acquired devilish
accuracy or something like
act. Hmm? Hey. Any which way. Oga, you are coming and be molesting somebody when person you are sleeping. You are a badness guy. You are a badness guy.
He rules and touch the everywhere. As a evil.
No, bro.
Come on.
Now. Inside aeroplane.
And your mom wobe.
Wobe.
Shakiti for you.
Okay, this one now final gist for the day. This one a very touching story. This particular mama, Anna Bozeman Thompson, they say just a few months before her wedding, her pikin, when she'd already born, 9-year-old boy, the boy can't die of leukemia.
Oh no.
He no can feel holy, said the boy can't die of leukemia. So the mama on her wedding day, she can't say she want to do tribute to her son. You understand? So she can't talk, say okay, and now her wedding pictures beyond this one. So we say on the person when she can't carry come, say okay, come do picture editing and all that for me. As a snap picture, make you just can't help me snap, make my pikin self did there because she won't just make it be saying that the full family did there because she love her son too much. So as the guy they formed the editing, they come.
Oh my God, there was a light of the boy.
One light of the boy there for corner somewhere.
Oh wow.
You understand? And this all happened naturally.
Oh wow.
Not be say them plan them. You all see light of the boy for corner. Now the woman contact the guy where they do the picture. They say she be I tell you say my pikin go there. Then she feel am on the day of her wedding. Say the son did there with her, even as she dey wed her husband. Say this one make her mind feel very, very good. Say she now she believes say the son dey with her all through, even before her wedding and to be continued.
Oh, this is so cool.
My sister, you know, sometimes they talk say, you know, all this spiritual this thing. But any which way. You know,
you get one philosophy when they talk say you will what you want to existence. You will it to existence.
Into existence.
Okay, but wow. Very touching.
It touched her heart. It touched her heart because her baby showed up last for her birthday, even in a spiritual form.
Oh well.
Anyway, we'll ask now one ogbonge question before the show will end for today because we won't give out some kind donut. Based on some kind of things what they do for inside our side for you. I won't give out donuts. Are you a donut lover like myself? You understand me? I love a donut plenty. Inside, let's say those ones they get jam inside. My wife. This is just no good for two of us because we are hungry. Yeah. As usual.
No, I don't talk.
So go ask question before the whole show go end, and some people go get donuts today inside Lagos.
Win a box of donuts.
A box of donuts. So we'll give a laugh right now. We'll come back and then we'll go give you the question. We'll go make you win your box of donuts. Women.
When was the last time you did something? Today, carry me today. I'm not going to. You will carry me today. I'm not going to agree to you. Carry me today.
So this woman, if you just watch film now.
You don't know.
What? No, wait.
Ask this question. We don't get time.
If you just wait.
Ask this question. We don't get time.
We don't get time.
Let me ask you this question.
Let me say, show Hollywood film. I beg you.
And this question, Jare, since you have been watching Paddy, tell us 3 costumes where we say we don't do. Tell us 3 things where we say we don't dress as. Send them go WhatsApp. Twitter, no they confuse person. Send and go Twitter at Wazobia Paddy.
5 winners.
5 winners now we go pick. Send them go there. Follow us for Instagram at Mayawa Lambe, at Ogbolo. Follow the station at Wazobia TV NG. And we love you so much. Bye.
If you don't just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.